Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. If this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube that supports students with their maths, physics, in their JAMB, WAEC, NECO, GC, post-UME, junior WAEC, name it, with free videos, maths video to support them to write their exams, okay, to encourage them to do it by themselves and also to encourage STEM studies, okay. So I've earlier introduced, today's video is about an online lab. I've earlier introduced Goga to you earlier on a video, I think last month, and I promised every month there will be a lab, okay. And the last lab was on physics, which talked on Ohm's law, okay, explanation of Ohm's law. All right, so this lab today is on geography and is by my very good friend Mr. Olatunji Abdulwahab. He's a seasoned geographer and so passionate. In fact, I haven't seen a passionate geography teacher like him before, okay, because I know even during my school days my geography teacher wasn't too active or fun to be around or listen to, but he is so passionate about what he does. So this particular lab is by him. Goga means go online, lab comes to Africa. That's go online goes Africa. So they are here in Africa to help students, secondary school students with their STEM lab, okay, for chemistry, physics, biology, geography, all right, and other subjects. Okay, so the link to this lab is this is the link bit.ly/ROT and REVO. Okay, I'm going to take you through how to get to the lab, how to use it, just run you through how to go through the lab, all right, because it's still new and I know most students might not understand, so I have to explain this. So the lab topic is what rotation and what revolution of Earth, seasons and reasons. Okay, so let's go into the lab. We have to go online, we have to connect to the internet. So to take you first on how we can go into the lab, I have to maybe just run you through the last lab, okay, on DTW Tutorials channel, the one I uploaded last. Okay, this is it. So all you need to do is when I upload this video, you click, you know, like when you want to watch the video, you click on it, hold on for it to load. Okay, we're not going to play this. You come to the description box. Okay, this is the description box. You say show more, and I'm going to put the link of the lab on this video I'm going to upload. Okay, so I'll put the link here, so all you need to do is click on it and it will take you to the inquiry learning space. Okay, this link, what it does, it takes you to an inquiry learning space where you perform your labs, you know, test your hypothesis. All right, so for the lab today, that's the geography lab, let me take you to the link, which I said is what bit.ly/ROT and REVO. Enter. So it takes us to the inquiry learning space. Okay, so all you need to do is just put in your nickname. All right, login. Okay, so here is the online lab. All right, so Mr. Olatunji has given us like an orientation, asking us questions. You know, this is all about inquiry-based learning. So as a teacher, we ask students questions for them to answer, all right, by just using, we'll give them guides, give them tools to answer and test whatever hypothesis they come up with. Okay, so this is the first part of the lab, orientation. You can watch this particular video to give you orientation about rotation and revolution. This is the body of the lab. Okay, go through it as a geography student. This is the concept page. Also go through it, use the hypothesis as scratch pad. All right, you have enough time to go through it. You know, this is online, heavily online. You can just, all you need to do is, as far as you have the link, you have access to the lab, just put in your nickname, your particular nickname, and you have access to this inquiry learning space. Then you come here to your investigation, where you have a simulator, okay, to carry out your hypothesis, to test them out. Okay, so this is a simulator for this lab, and he also puts here a Khan Academy simulator. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to the Khan Academy website, all right, which will also help you understand better about rotation and revolution. You can see this. Okay, so all you need to do is just carry out your various tests to understand all about rotation and revolution. And also here in the discussion, you can comment, okay? Comment on the ILS. How did you find it? Did you find it through DTW tutorials? Please write that down. And if you have comments, questions, observation, please write it down, and Mr. Olatunji Abdulwahab would get back to you. Okay, you can see he has already responded to some students here, so feel free, write down, ask him questions. This is so lovely because it's online. You don't need to meet him in person. Just go through the lab, you have questions, write them down, and is going to respond to you. Okay, and if you're also looking for a seasoned and passionate geographer like Mr. Olatunji, please also come here and also maybe send an email to him or request for his email to contact him. All right, so thank you. So this is the end of the video today. All you need to do is, don't forget, this is the link. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Okay, the link is bit.ly/ROT and REVO. Okay, so that's all you need to get to the inquiry learning space. So thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials. You are destined to win. And don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. Bye.